Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. A fire is still burning in sections of the Cockpit area along the Salt River Road in Clarendon. TVJ News understands that the fire started sometime after 10 o'clock this morning, causing panic among people who live in close proximity. When our news team arrived on the scene, firefighters were actively working to put out the blaze. In the meantime, residents were on edge, saying the fire was caused by garbage burning out of control.
Yeah, I feel how we are all of this family land, even though it don't look so pretty, you have a couple of coconut and apple and banana, see all like banana tree them burn down. You understand what I'm saying? It's a lucky thing. I picked 2 bunch of banana this morning. If I never see them and pick them this morning, they would have burned up too. You understand? And plus some, because of the breeze, you can't reach up by your house. Because they can't see sparks, some fly seeing you, so you can't reach your house. So for there I watch.
This morning was here and we saw the fire from down that way coming up. And by then, it just keep burning, and then it reached to where our house is. And you know, where we live, it's bare board houses there, so we have to be protective.